Alright, I'm heading back to this customer's house. I was here about a month ago and I told her she needed a new sewage pump in her backyard, and she finally gave me a call back. So I'm heading there now. I got the pump. It's a 1 horsepower Liberty, so it's pretty big for residential, and they're expensive, man. It's over $1,000 for the pump, just for the pump. So we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
It's back there in this little apartment. I'll show you. Yeah, here's the pump. It ain't been working for a while. The flushing wipes. I'm gonna turn it off again. Here. And disconnect it right here. And I'm gonna undo this union and let's get to it. Phone is probably gonna die, it's fucking hot out. Out. It looks like filled to the brim. Let's get this old one out, get this new one in. I think it's the same pump. Let me see. This thing's a beast. Alright, let's get to it. Fucking get all this going here. Clean that up a little bit. Get this new piece of pipe in here, and let's get to it. Pressure male adapter. It's not a drainage fitting. Drill a hole in this now for the airlock, and yeah, put her in there and see if it works. So let me grab my drill and drill a hole real quick. All right, I got the new pump in temporarily. What I do is pump all this sewage out, and then I could readjust it once I can see what's going on down there. All right, I just got this in temporarily. So I can pump this sewage out, make sure it works. Turn this back on, plug it in, and we'll see. We'll just plug this in. Yeah, it's cooking. Now it's working. It's a badass pump. Should last a while as long as they stop flushing wipes down. Let me reposition this. All back together, screw down. Back in business. They're all squared away. She's crusty.